everyone, let's paint the hare and the tortoise story today in a different way. For this I am using the Himi watercolor pad, the vibrant and highly pigmented Himi solid rhombus watercolors, round, flat and detailer brushes from Himi. Let's first secure the edges with masking tape. I have chosen a reference from Pinterest today. We will see how to paint the meadow, the clouds, the sky, the hare, the tortoise who are sharing some fruits with each other, and also some plants in the foreground and in the background. Let's paint using wet on dry technique. Here we apply wet paint on dry paper and spread it gradually over the entire area. Use the same technique for painting the meadow as well. While painting using the wet on dry technique, blend two colors when the first color is still wet. I'm painting a bush using detailer brush here. Apply lemon yellow with the detailer brush. Then add small dots of yellow green. Then add pale green and finally hooker's green. Finish the bush painting with adding black dots at the bottom areas to make it look realistic. The same wet on dry technique is used to color the hare as well. Make sure you move to the next part of painting only after the previous work dries up. Watercolor is a forgiving medium and you can always use a paper towel to remove excess water or color. I have used pale green and yellow green to color the four legs of the tortoise. To paint the bushes in the foreground, I have used the negative painting technique. Paint the lower portions of the cloud using a light wash of indigo color, and then gradually blend it with water to make it look more natural. And finally, outline the entire painting using a black fine liner. Once done, we can remove the masking tape. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you participate in the Children's Day competition organized by Thoovi Arts. Have a good day. Bye.